Optimal control. This important article is authored by the following scientists. This chapter provides optimal control theory for readers. In this chapter, optimal control conception and variation method were respectively narrated and explained to help readers understand optimal control problems. Furthermore, maximum principle and linear quadratic optimal control and dynamic programming were also narrated and analyzed to aid readers in correctly applying optimal control into practice. In this chapter, readers need to grasp three basic methods: variation method, minimum principle, and dynamic programming. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.